And then just push it forward, and then we'll get everything out of here. Got our drain thing in there, grab that. And then this is gonna go around this here, and it's gonna connect right on that down there. So that's what we're gonna do next. So this has gotta go around this, like this. So I'm just gonna get it through there first, and we've gotta kind of squeeze it to get it on there. So there we go, we're right, now we're on there. See, can you see it? So I gotta come all the way up with the pliers to get a good squeeze on it. And then I'm gonna push it down on here. So we gotta go down here, right here, right? I'm gonna turn it this way, right? This way I can put it on here, just like that. And then I can squeeze this so that I can push this farther on. So it's all the way on. And then when I let go of that, it locks it down on there. Took off the old hoses and I'm going to install new ones. So go ahead and stick one in one of them there. Smush it down. Put one on that side. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to go ahead and put these on there. Hold one of those. Yeah, like that. Let me just get that on there. And so it doesn't really matter which side we put it on, as long as we get them on there. And they're going on pretty good. So I think they'll be fine. I'm going to just hand tighten them. That's it. I'm just going to hand tighten them so I don't get too crazy. Let's see how this one does. We're gonna know when we turn the water on if it's gonna.
Yeah, the leak will tell you how much it takes.
If water squirts out of there, we know we got a problem. We got to get them tighter.
All right, so just turn the water. Oh wait, not yet.
I might want to put these on.
To do that.
So now what we got to do is we got to take these, and we got to get them onto here. But before we do that, we got to put our washers in. Go ahead and shove it in there. Make sure we get it in good. Okay, let me grab that one. I got it. You can let go of this one. So hand to that one, the side. So I'm going to go here with this one, right? Because we want to make sure we get the hot and the cold in the right spot. So that's on there, and then we got to put that one on there. Now we're turning. It just needed 2 hands, that's all. All right, so that. Now what I've done is I've tightened it as tight as I can with my hands. So, all right, so next we have to turn both of the valves on, and so you can see I'm turning them counterclockwise to get the water in there. Okay, so we don't see any leaks, right?
No.
Okay, good. I'll tell you when you're close enough for me to get this in there, because we don't want to go all the way back. All right, now, if you can get it in there, that's it, right like that. Okay, now, would you like to do the honors?
We'll figure it out.
Okay, so, all right, now what we have to do is start it up and see if it
We should
works.
probably run once, right?
Yeah.